Open earbuds that actually stay on during a run, give you gaming-grade latency, and promise days of battery. I took the Black Shark T19 clip-on buds for a full week. Here's what surprised me, what annoyed me, and whether they're worth your money. Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Black Shark T19 open-ear earbuds. I'll walk you through unboxing, fit, sound, calls, gaming latency, battery life, and my final verdict, plus real tests you can copy at home. No fluff. After unboxing, the first thing you will see at the top is that they've given their main earbuds here. If you remove the top plastic, you'll notice a very shiny case inside. On top, there's a label with the Black Shark branding. I can see a Type-C port here and nothing else around the sides. Inside the box, as usual, you'll get a Type-C cable for charging. And at the back, they've included a manual. That's it, nothing more inside. Now let's check the main product. So after opening it, the upper hood is quite thick. Here we can see the two earbuds. One really nice and interesting fact is there's a display here, a small LED display that shows the battery percentage, so you can see how much charge is left. So this is basically the main thing, and the product itself is very lightweight. With the case, the total weight is just 48 grams, and each earbud weighs only 6 grams. When we take the earbuds out from the case, a white light starts blinking. That means it isn't paired yet. Once paired, the light will turn off. This area right here is the touch control. There are no physical buttons. All commands work through touch. When you use it for the first time, you'll notice a sticker here which you need to remove. So basically, to connect two devices together, we'll need to do a few steps. Let's connect it to a mobile first. First, we'll turn on Bluetooth. After turning on Bluetooth, we can see Black Shark T19 on the device list. We'll just pair it. As usual, done. It's connected, and it connected very smoothly. Now the white light you saw blinking earlier has turned off, meaning once it's paired, the light goes off. And this area where you see the S written, that's the touch area. Through this area, you'll control everything. On the side, we can see a small speaker grill, and there's a marking with an R, which means right side. Similarly, on the other one, there's a marking for the left ear. If you get a phone call, just double tap on either side and the call will be received. Double tap again and the call will end. If you don't want to answer the call, press and hold for 2 seconds and the call will automatically hang up. Here on my phone, Bixby already got activated. To cancel dialing, just single press and it will be canceled. If I double tap, the music will stop. You can see the music has stopped. And if I double tap again, the music will play. You can do this on either side without any issue. If you want to skip to the next song, then triple tap on the right side, and if you triple tap the left side, it will go back to the previous song. Let's try it. And as you can see, it changed, it went back to the previous song. And if you press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds, its mode will change. There are basically two modes here, gaming and music. If you press and hold the left side for 2 seconds, the voice assistant will activate. You can see that my Bixby has turned on here. So these are the basic functions. There's nothing extra fancy in this headphone. The battery capacity of each earbud is 50 mAh, and the charging case battery capacity is 400 mAh. It gives a connection distance of up to 15 meters, and it uses Bluetooth 5.4. You can listen to music for around 7 hours and talk for about 6 hours. So those are the basic features. Now let's put them on the ear to see how it feels and how the sound quality is when listening to music. These are open-ear/ear clip buds. They do not sit inside your ear canal. That means you can hear ambient noise and they don't block your ears for hours. For fit, I tested them walking, jogging, and shaking my head. They held on for casual runs and gym sets. But if you do intense obstacle training or heavy contact sports, I test them yourself first. I tested pop, a bass-heavy EDM track, an acoustic vocal, and an FPS test for positional cues. At moderate volumes, the T19s give surprisingly clear mids and vocals. Dialogue and sibilance are crisp. Bass is present, but not the chest-thumping type you get from in-ear sealed buds. That's expected for open-ear designs. If you like heavy sub-bass, these won't replace sealed in-ear buds, but for running, podcasts, or gaming, they're perfectly usable. Soundstage felt broader than typical in-ear buds because your ear isn't occluded. That helps situational awareness and some sense of space, but it also means less bass impact. If you want to tune them, try moderate EQ boost in low mids rather than extreme bass lift.
Too much bass causes distortion because of the open design. Call quality was decent in calm environments, voices came through clear. In wind or busy streets, the mic did struggle a bit. For casual calls, they're fine. For professional call use or noisy outdoor reporting, a headset with active ANC and a dedicated boom mic will be better. This is the part Black Shark advertises heavily. A gaming mode with ultra-low latency to keep sound synced with action. To test, I ran a quick in-game audio sync test, a YouTube low-latency test video, plus an FPS where footsteps matter. In gaming mode, I felt audio-visual sync improved compared to standard Bluetooth mode. Gunshots and footsteps match on-screen better, which helps in competitive play. For mobile gamers, this is a real plus. So final thoughts. The Black Shark T19 nails the brief for open-ear lifestyle and casual gaming. You get comfortable long-wear, useful battery life with a handy digital case display, and a gaming mode that genuinely helps with sync. They won't replace sealed earbuds for bass heads or noisy call pros, but for runners, commuters, and mobile gamers who want situational awareness, they're a strong pick. Score, I'd give them a 7.5/10 for value and versatility.